What's the meaning of cost accounting? Cost accounting. Cost accounting.
Cost accounting. Cost accounting. Cost accounting is a branch of accounting that deals with the calculation and analysis of the costs associated with producing goods or services. The primary objective of cost accounting is to provide information for making decisions related to maximizing profitability and optimizing operational efficiency. The result of cost accounting is a detailed breakdown of the various expenses, such as direct costs, indirect costs, variable costs, and fixed costs, incurred in the production process. This information is then used by managers to allocate resources more effectively, identify areas of improvement, and make informed business decisions.